Looking for a tempered glass screen protector that's dead easy to install? Well, I have one up next. So whenever I get a new iPhone, the very first thing I do as soon as I take it out of the box is stick a screen protector on it. And I prefer a tempered glass screen protector because I like the feel of the glass over the other screen protector types. And I think it just looks better on the phone. So if you've watched previous videos from me, you know I am a stickler for getting the screen protector installed correctly, as well as being dust-free. And for the most part, knock on wood, I've never had to contend with bubbles because of the proper prep I do ahead of time, which is cleaning off all the smudges, clearing off all the dust, using the stickers they give with you to take the dust off, and even using a can of air to blow dust off as I'm applying the screen protector. And applying screen protectors has gotten easier over the years, and I don't buy any screen protectors that don't have an installer on there, or more appropriately, a installation frame. So the screen protector is already installed in the frame. You put that frame on the phone, you pull a few strips of plastic to let the adhesive set, and then you pull the protector off, and the screen protector is centered, and all you have to worry about are getting the bubbles out. And over the years it's been easier, and this one is from Magic John. And if you've watched TikTok, you've probably seen the guy's videos where he does all kinds of heinous things to the screen before applying the screen protector. I think the most recent one, I saw him put baby powder on top of the glass, then put the frame on it, and then pulled off a dust layer to remove the dust. And it looks like he installs it perfectly every time. So I'm gonna test that. That's the first time I'm having one of these screen protectors. And this is the Magic John screen protector. And it says, witness the miracle of screen protector application. Scratch resistant, easy installation, and drop resistant. And on the back, Magic John again, we focus on user experience, build high quality products, and quickly responsible service. So a few things that are a must for me for screen protectors. Again, has to be tempered glass. It needs an installation frame, and they should include more than one in the box. 2, preferably 3. This Magic John comes with 2. So let's go ahead and open this up. And they give you a squeegee to get the bubbles out. Installation guide. Scan me to watch the installation video. I think I've watched enough videos of his on TikTok, so I might go into this blind and just go by what I've seen him do on TikTok. Installation kit, you get 2 because you get 2 screen protectors and 2 installation frames. And that's everything in the box. And that's actually kind of cool. They give you 2 installation frames. I've had others from other companies. They just give you 1 installation frame, and then they give you more screen protectors. You have to add that screen protector to the frame again, but they give you 2. So this thing costs 20 bucks, so 10 bucks per screen protector, which in my book, if it's a tempered glass screen protector, that's a good deal. So we'll need one of those. That, we'll put the installation guide away. I don't know if I'll regret that later. And we'll keep the squeegee and one of these. So let's go ahead and see what's in the installation kit. Oh, it tells you. It includes a wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust sticker removal. So I'm not going to demonstrate it like he does on his TikTok videos. I'm not going to throw a bunch of dust on there. I'll just do my due diligence, but I'm not going to worry about getting a can air or being too much of a stickler for dust that's on there. And we'll be applying the screen protector to this brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. And one of the things I like to do when I apply screen protectors is turn off the screen. So we're going to use wet wipes and to remove the smudges. And I'm going to forego the dust removal sticker. And this says top, so that's top of the phone. And it says for iPhone 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max, so it confirms it there. So we're supposed to just lay this on top. Pull out this one dust tab here. Run your finger along here. Run your finger along there. Let it do its thing. You can kind of see it working. Pull, swipe, and tear off this part. This pretty much releases it from the installation case. Good, get that back on there more. Remove the top. Discard all of this. And pull that off. And there are some air bubbles under there. Let's see how easy they are to remove. So one thing I'll say is I hate air bubbles. That's why I was hoping that dust protection or removal on the installation would alleviate the bubbles. The bubbles. And it looks like the bubbles are going out. Doesn't look like they're being caused by any dust. Looks like more so just air pockets that got in there. Because they are coming out, I want to say easily. Looks about to be the same amount of pressure and work that I used to remove them. Okay, that's actually looking pretty good. That is actually looking pretty good. If I'm looking at this, oh wait, there's a little one that keeps kind of popping up, but there's no dust connected to that one. Let's turn it back on. You know, I will say that is looking really good. I think I was able to get all those air bubbles out. Installation was pretty easy. I think probably the easiest one I've had to install. And I didn't stress so much about getting every little piece of dust on there. And it looks like there's no dust under screen protector. All the bubbles are gone. Nice coverage. You can feel a little bit of lip on the edge, but really good coverage all around that screen. It is covering that screen. You got a little, kind of like a little top so that you can have that speaker there still. But that's good. Hey. Not as easy as he shows on his TikTok videos, because it did take a bit to get some of those air bubbles out. You know, maybe if I would have watched the installation video, it would have made the process easier. But I have to say, I'm quite pleased with the screen protector. We'll see how it holds up over time. It's oleophobic, so water should drip right off it. And let's see, fingerprints. about the same as any tempered glass screen protector as far as fingerprints. You will be wiping off smudges and stuff from it. But overall, I like it. Hopefully it lasts. And I think it looks good. And really, no fuss installation. So, I'm a fan. And actually that was pretty easy to install. Maybe not as easy again as I've seen in his TikTok videos, but it was a simple method and pretty straightforward. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are tempered glass screen protectors your favorite? What are your favorites? And have you tried the Magic John screen protector? That's gonna do it for this one. If you found this video at all useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and maybe tapping the bell to get notified when I post new videos. I'll see you in the next one. So until then, please take care and be safe out there.